Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost AirTag instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost AirTag, start by opening the Find My app on your iPhone. Ensure you are logged into the same Apple ID linked to your AirTag. Tap on the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. You should see a list of all your connected AirTags. Select the AirTag that you want to locate. If the AirTag is nearby, tap on Play Sound to make it emit a sound. Listen carefully for the sound to guide you to its location. If the sound is too faint, use the precision finding feature. Hold your iPhone close to the AirTag and follow the on-screen directions. The arrows will guide you with distance and direction to your lost item. If your AirTag is out of range, tap on Notify when found. This option will send you a notification when your AirTag comes back into range. You can also check if your AirTag has been moving by looking at the last known location on the map. If you're still unable to locate it, consider retracing your steps to the last known place. If someone else finds your AirTag, they can help return it using the instructions on the item. Remember, keep your AirTag updated with the latest software for optimum performance. Once found, make sure to secure your AirTag to prevent future loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.